This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. Powder Coating Week 2021 is all set and registration is open, but its dates have changed. The Powder Coating Institute announced last week that 2021 Powder Coating Week program has moved from February to April 27th through the 30th at the Renaissance Orlando at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida. This event offers powder coating education, networking opportunities, and access to expert panels. Day 1 kicks off with Powder Coating 101, followed by a custom coder forum, the technical conference, and tabletop exhibitors. You do not need to be a PCI member to attend. For more information, go to powdercoatedtough.com. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.